Urdu language. Urdu is a standardized register of the Hindustani language spoken primarily in India and Pakistan. It is the official language of Pakistan and is one of the two official languages of India, along with English. It is spoken by an estimated 100 million people, primarily in the countries of India and Pakistan, and is also spoken by large communities of South Asian expatriates around the world. Urdu is written in the Perso-Arabic script, which is also used to write Arabic, Persian, and several other languages. It is a tonal language, which means that the meaning of a word can change depending on the way it is pronounced. Urdu is a rich language with a long literary tradition. It has a number of dialects and is closely related to Hindi, another standardized register of Hindustani. Many words in Urdu are borrowed from Arabic, Persian, and other languages, and the grammar is similar to that of other Indo-European languages. Overall, Urdu is an important language in South Asia and has a significant presence around the world.